Gears are fundamental mechanical devices, with teeth that meshes, to transfer rotational motion and torque. Their purpose is to adjust speed, torque, and direction in machinery. Spur gears are one of the simplest gear types. These gears have straight teeth, which are parallel to axis of the shaft. As you can see, axis of gear teeth and shaft axis is parallel to each other. Spur gears are used to connect two coplanar and parallel shafts, ensuring smooth and efficient power transmission in industrial applications. Spur gears date back to ancient Greece, with significant enhancements by Leonardo da Vinci, who conceptualized mechanical systems incorporating gears. Some important terms used in spur gears are teeth. Teeth engage with another gear. Pitch circle. Imaginary circle defining the size of spur gear. Root circle is the base of the teeth. Addendum and dedendum. These are tooth height above and below the pitch circle. Pressure angle. Angle of tooth engagement, which affects load transfer. Now move on to the working principle of spur gears. Spur gears transfer torque by meshing teeth of two parallel shafts. As one gear rotates, it drives the connected gear in the opposite direction. Spur gears have many advantages. Their straightforward design, cost efficiency, and high transmission efficiency make them ideal for basic mechanical systems. The main downside of spur gears is they get pretty noisy at high speeds. Because of the sudden engagement of the gear teeth, this makes them better suited for low-speed applications. When it comes to spur gears, the material choice depends on the job they need to do. First up, steel. It's tough, strong, and built to handle heavy-duty tasks. Then we have brass, known for its corrosion resistance. It's perfect for environments where durability and exposure go hand in hand. And finally, plastics. They're lightweight, quiet, and cost-effective, making them ideal for lighter applications. Spur gears are everywhere, thanks to their reliability. You'll find them in gearboxes and automotive systems, where precision and durability are key, even in household appliances like clocks. Spur gears quietly keep everything running smoothly. Spur gears are impressively efficient, with an efficiency range of 94% to 98%. This depends on factors like the material used, proper lubrication, and the precision of their design. With their high efficiency, spur gears deliver reliable performance while saving energy. Got any questions about spur gears or how they work? Drop them in the comments section. I'd love to help out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos like this one. Thanks for watching.